Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Introducing the Wiha 35389 Screwdriver Set SoftFinish Electric 1000V SlimFix Slotted and Phillips, your ultimate companion for precision and safety. This six-piece collection is designed with a unique handle length concept, providing the perfect balance of torque and control. Feel the difference with the patented soft finisher handle, ensuring your hands and muscles are protected during those long jobs. Each screwdriver is individually tested to withstand 10,000 volts AC. Yes, you heard that right. Work confidently on live parts up to 1,000 volts AC. With slim blades designed for deep-set screws, this Wiha makes accessing tight spaces a breeze. Say goodbye to wrist strain. This ergonomic design optimizes hand-force transmission for maximum efficiency. Whether you are a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, the Wiha 35389 screwdriver set is your go-to choice for safety, comfort, and performance.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.